said, I want to ask you, something must be rotten either in the Congress party or in the alliance. I'm assuming Congress party because that's what Mallikarjun Kharge, the president of the party, said. Now, these rotten mangoes saw the cross-voting, and this statement comes 2 days after the cross-voting debacle that the opposition witnessed. So, who is the rotten mango?
See, I'm a great believer in Shakespeare rather than ilu ilu. So something is actually rotten in the state of Denmark, which basically could allude to either the alliance or to the Congress party. You know, Mallikarjun Kharge is not known for analogies and, swift and sustainable hyperbole. For him to say one rotten mango will spoil the whole tokri, I mean, why on earth don't these people say what they actually want to say? Because he talks in so many riddles that it sometimes one wonders if he's a human crossword walking across, from party to party. The gentleman from Aam Aadmi Party actually pointed out the fissures that have arisen in this bloc, even before the formation, as it were, of the bloc. It is clear that things are not going right within the Congress. Things are not right within many opposition parties. The vice presidential election is a symptom of that ongoing malaise. It is unfortunate because Mr. Gandhi and his, colleagues actually thought of India bloc coming across as a viable opposition. But as is evident, these people are good at what they have always been good at, is spreading anarchy, is accusing each other and bringing each other down. So the BJP actually doesn't need to worry because the opposition is self-imploding every day. The vice president election is only the tip of the iceberg. But as you rightly said, in a run-up to every election, they have exchanged barbs. Sanjay said that, it is unfortunate. Forget unfortunate. It is unhinged. It is something that you don't expect because you expect a lot of homework to go into cobbling an alliance. And when an alliance fractures and implodes in this manner, then you begin to wonder, why on earth did they come together? Because you've actually taken one step forward and 4 steps back. So my view here is there is no alliance. Let's not play, saintly about it. There is no alliance, there is no ideological commonality, and each person is out to get the other. The vice president election shows that there are fractures and fissures within this so-called bloc, and they will continue. Who will take advantage? The BJP, as they should. See, it is not Amit Shah and Narendra Modi's job to go to Khan Market looking to buy an opposition. The opposition needs to present itself. Siddharth Sharma, through this evening's opening remarks, has continuously talked about analogies. The point is, talk about reality.
Absolutely, and the reality was that the Aam Aadmi Party's creation was based on, the opposition to the Congress party, and then many times the ilu happened between them, and now it's back to washing dirty linen in public. Also, introducing Niladri Bhattacharya joining the News Hour tonight. But Vivek Srivastava, I want to ask you: is Mallikarjun Kharge referring to straight away Mr. Rahul Gandhi, because he's used the words जो काम नहीं करेगा उसको निकल जाना चाहिए? अब ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज द वाइस प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन. काम कौन नहीं कर रहा था, किसकी तस्वीरें थी? एंड सिद्धार्थ शर्मा जी हैज ऑलरेडी सेड मलेशियन हॉलीडेज, दैट इज व्हाई दिस वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द वाइस प्रेसिडेंशियल पोल्स. इज Mr. Gandhi the rotten apple? Because otherwise the boss of the party is Mallikarjun Kharge, but he doesn't seem to have any power to throw out anybody.
No, I think Rahul Gandhi works very hard, and the nation knows it that he works very hard. And we have seen the way he is leading our coalition in Bihar. Maybe Sohail sir is not able to see it. The left, the Congress and the RJD are very clear. We have a very good understanding.
But are you
India Alliance was formed for the Lok Sabha.
Is this
there are you may not be able to see it, but you will see it. No, I'm not being sarcastic. I'm being very realistic. I'm being very realistic in all the road shows.
I have seen
and all the sheet sharing talks.
I have seen the secondary yatra. I've seen all of that, Vivek. It's not that we are blind. I've seen all of those things. In fact, I talked about Bharat Jodo Yatra as a very eminently successful
Yes.
platform. I'm only saying that ultimately you
Yes.
have to win an election.
Yes.
You don't have to win Vivek Srivastava or Sohail Seth's empathy.
That's
Where
okay.
is that election winning process? Where is
Absolutely,
that
absolutely.
happening? That
I
to answer me.
understand it and I agree.
बड़े-बड़े तो सब लोग हैं भाई.
Yes, you
Yeah.
see
आप
in a
मेरे को ये बोलो,
democracy-
like communists are
नहीं
great
नहीं
people,
सर, आप सुनिए
but they
बात
never
को।
come to power.
इलेक्शन एक चीज होती है, नहीं 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 नहीं, वो आपकी सोच है, they never come to power. We are there in the world, we are there in India, we are in Tripura still.
So then,
We are
so
there in
then,
the world.
who is Mallikarjun Kharge referring to? Vivek Srivastava, please enlighten us.
Maybe the people, yes, he is referring to his own people whom he wants. He's just encouraging guys. He feels कुछ लोग ऐसी पोजीशन पे हैं जो काम नहीं कर रहे, हटाओ. It's a very common thing and it is something that every party chief says to his cadre. But problem उससे बड़ी है. Problem है तुम भी 75, मैं भी 75. आओ मिलके हैप्पी बर्थडे मनाएं. मोहन भागवत जी, भाड़ में गए हमारे पुराने रिजॉल्व. तुम भी कंटिन्यू करो, हम भी कंटिन्यू करें. भाड़ में गई जनता, भाड़ में गया मार्गदर्शन मंडल जो हमने बनाया था.
जनता तो बड़ी खुश है उनसे. जनता तो बड़ी खुश है. Now the RSS, you were banking on the RSS and the BJP to fight. That's not happening. That is why you are very worried, because the Congress party now is coming out and stating, oh, there is psychophancy. They can't decide. They can't decide who's the rotten mango in their party, but they want to decide RSS and BJP's relationship. Ishkaran Bhandari. Now, how is that possible? You tell me who's the rotten mango. I want to know who's the rotten mango.
Yes. Navika ji, since everybody is starting with a song or a proverb, the classical proverb applicable is Naach na jane aangan teda. Let us see what is happening since 2014, 19, 24 after 3 electoral losses. 2014 strategy 1, blame external forces. Corporates are funding BJP, Hindu Muslim हो रहा है, internet Hindu का जन्म हो गया है, anti incumbency है, all external factors. Thankfully at that time they could not blame election commission or CBI, which was their caged parrot. 1924 that gets added. CBI, ED, election commission has made us lose the matches, lose the elections. So 3 elections, external factors. Now that is not sufficient. So what do? Step 2, blame internal factors. Is it the first time a statement like this has come that rotten mangoes are there? There are multiple statements where Congress leaders, IRSS की ideology वालों की जरूरत नहीं है, कांग्रेस ही कांग्रेस को हराती है. So blame external, blame internal, but don't fix where the blame needs to be fixed. That for 15 years, we do not know, it may be 20, 25 years also, you are out of power. The leadership is one family, but you don't want to blame that family. Fair enough, good for BJP. But the risky thing which I want to come, because there are a lot of supporters on social media feeling glee about what happened in Nepal, feeling glee about what happened in Bangladesh, and that is where my fear comes in. Because if you keep blaming external factors, don't improve, do not go into democracy to win an election, but to only cry, then your supporters who are giving the example of Nepal, that is dangerous for Bharat, and that needs to be nipped in the bud.
Well, Vivek
Srivastava straight away starts with that. That is not dissent. You can't burn a nation down like Bangladesh, like Sri Lanka, like Nepal. You win an election. BJP won an election in 14 when there was corruption.
We also don't want it, but ye sarkar
won an election. You win an election. Come to power.
Let the government give us
Navika
the
ji,
space that
open
the
channel,
opposition
open
wants.
air, they are saying
let the protests happen
this will
when they want
happen.
to happen. Don't try to
threaten
stifle the
India.
voice of the public.
Do not
इस
threaten
मुल्क में
India.
आप जंतर मंतर पे हमें
India
प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करने देते.
इंडिया उस
पुलिस
रास्ते
के
पे नहीं
बैरिकेड
जा
नैरो
रहा.
होते जा रहे
इंडिया
हैं.
उस रास्ते पे नहीं
एक ऑडिटोरियम में
जाएगा.
हम
हमारे
500 आदमियों
देश
की
के
सभा नहीं
लोगों
कर
में
सकते.
कॉमन
ये देश
सेंस
का हाल है.
आपकी बातों में नहीं आएंगे.
वो 75 साल के लटके हुए हैं, चिपके हुए हैं, चिपके रहो.
Navika ji, on air he is saying India उस रास्ते पे जा रहा है. This is their last hope. Vivek, this is your last hope. This is your last hope. This is the Jinnah mentality. Either I will have India or I will burn India.
Vivek Srivastava, that the India alliance is behaving like a, bad sportsman. They don't have a sportsmanship. Your bad losers is very evident in the manner in which you are arguing this case. But Niladri Bhattacharya. Now,